The classic 55 Chevy. I've painted this model to match its attitude both inside and out. Metallic green with metallic white roof and back, and metallic silver accents on the sides and bumpers. And what model isn't complete without detailed taillights and headlights? An accidental favorite feature of this model is how the headlights turned out. I'm not really sure what I did different, but I love them and I hope I can replicate it in the future. Another thing that surprised me about this model was how beautifully the green paint refracts light. Really eye-catching from a distance and looks pretty damn good up close. I would have liked to paint the silver accents in chrome, however I don't have chrome paint available to me at the moment. Although I don't hate how the silver turned out. It's definitely subtle. As always guys, I appreciate it so much. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, subscribe, and if you already have, thank you. Have a blessed day.